Powered up our screen.
Give it to me.
Powered up our screen. 40k na lang guys, marireveal na ni Kurt guys yung kanyang Tweety Bird. Gusto nyo ba yan guys? I-share nyo na rin yung live stream natin. Share nyo na rin and check out na guys ha.
I know.
Pampalaki ng puwet.
Yeah. First of all, you see the glutes, you see? Do you like the teeth? You like the teeth a little bit? Okay. So this is bench body, okay? This is the bench body. I really like this feeling.
Ipipi natin yan sa basket guys.
It makes me really feel comfortable.
Gusto nyo ba guys makuha yung boxer brief na suot? Gusto nyo ba guys makita yung suot na or yung ma-check out yung suot na
How's my
boxer
butt
brief?
from the back?
Ito guys yung suot na boxer brief ni Kurt guys. Ipapadala na rin yan guys sa mag-check out. What is the size of that?
I don't know. Check.
Extra large? Large. Large siya guys. Large.
That's large. Guys, I'm like 6'3", okay? Okay. Jaden.
Gusto nyo ba guys? Pabutin nyo muna
Come
ako
on,
na.
double tap that.
Double
Give
tap
some
muna
support.
guys.
Give
And
some
check
support
out
to my
muna.
brother.
Check out muna guys. Left na lang.
I don't have a keyhole though. I don't have a keyhole right now.
It doesn't have a keyhole guys.
But I like
super comfy.
the shape of my glutes, okay? How do Instagram girls do the posing? They do something.
You're a model. You're a model.
Yeah, but I'm not
You
doing
got-
like women poses. They do this one.
Oh, okay, I see. Those gym rats
Yeah.
posing like.